Sending money online with the MoneyGram is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can send money online with the MoneyGram. So in order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm at the MoneyGram website. You just have to go to Google and type in MoneyGram, and you have to click on the first link and you will be at this page. Now here you have to log into your account. After logging into your account, as you guys can see, I will be able to send money. So I'm just click on send, and I'm going to enter the amount of money that I want to transfer. Suppose I want to transfer $150 and I want to transfer it to Afghanistan. So I'm going to select that, and after that I'm going to click on estimate fees. Now it will take some time to load, and it will give you all the details regarding how you will be sending and how he will be receiving. Now, as you guys can see, you can select the payment method. You can do the online banking, credit card, or cash at location, or you can also do the receiving stuff. Suppose I want to send it using my credit card, and the next guy, the guy from the Afghanistan, can pick it using the mobile wallet or can do the cash pickup. In order to do the cash pickup, he need to visit the local store or the local agent which accepts MoneyGram or which have the MoneyGram service available, and he needs to tell him that he received some money, and he will be asked to show his identity. After that, after verification, your transaction will be done and he will receive money. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.